Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to get iPhone emojis on the Poco M7. Now to do that, just open the Play Store on your smartphone. Now from here, just search ZFont 3. Now from here, just install this app. Now it will take a few seconds to install this app on your smartphone. Now from here, just tap on Open. Now from here, tap on Agree and tap on Grant. Now from here, tap on Allow. Now from here, tap on OK. Now scroll down and tap on See All. In the search bar, just search iOS. Now from here, just download the emojis pack you like. I will download this one. Now from here, just tap on Download. Now it will take a few seconds to download the emoji pack. Now from here, just tap on Apply. Now from here, just select Via Font. Now from here, tap on OK. Now from here, tap on Use this folder. Now from here, tap on Allow. Now from here, tap on Change Font and select Unofficial iOS 18. Now from here, tap on Apply. Now from here, if you go to your home screen and open the keyboard on your smartphone, now from here, just open the emojis section. And this is how you can get iPhone emojis on the Poco M7. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.